Hello, 7th Standard LMD. This is Janet. We are learning about nutrition in animals. I have told you nutrition in animals takes place in different manner in different organisms. First, let us learn about nutrition in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. That means it is a single-celled microscopic organism which lives in pond. This we cannot able to see with our naked eye. What is a cell? We all know that all living organisms are made up of cells. Cell means small room. It is the structural and functional unit of all organisms. Unicellular organisms are made up of single cell. Example amoeba, paramecium, bacteria. Multicellular organisms are made up of many cells. Example human, animals, plants. They are all building blocks of life. Though amoeba is a unicellular organism, it functions all essential functions of life such as ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. You might be wondering how it is possible. First, let us learn about its structure. Amoeba has cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus and many bubble-like vacuoles in the gel-like liquid called cytoplasm. Nucleus is a controlling unit of all organelles in the cell. You will be learning about the structure of amoeba in detail in higher classes. Let us learn about its nutrition. Amoeba keeps changing its position and shape with the help of finger-like projections called pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. It is also called false feet as it helps in movement of amoeba from one place to another. Amoeba uses its pseudopodia to capture food. Now we know that amoeba is a unicellular organism that lives in pond water. It does not have definite shape. Let us learn now how it obtains its food. Amoeba has receptors on its surface of the body to sense the food. First step is intaking the food, that is ingestion. When amoeba senses the food, it pushes out the pseudopodia, that is its false food, and encircles the food. Then takes the food inside its body. We say this that amoeba engulfs the food. It results in the formation of food vacuole, which contains food particles. Next step is digestion. The jelly-like liquid called cytoplasm secretes digestive enzymes into the food vacuole. These enzymes act on the food particle and break it down into simpler substances. This is called digestion. Next is absorption. The simpler substances get diffused into the cytoplasm. This is called absorption. The undigested wastes remain in the food vacuole. Next is assimilation. The absorbed food in the cytoplasm is used for energy, growth, maintenance and multiplication. This is called assimilation. Excess food is stored as glycogen and fats. Next is egestion. The undigested waste is taken near the cell membrane and thrown out by rupturing. Rupturing means cutting the membrane. This is called egestion.